What is this place? A rail yard? Let me go check out that train. Huh. I mean, it's an oil tanker. Shipping container there? This all looks really nice, but... Oh hey, there's a lake. And it looks like someone lives here. I mean, should be more stuff over there, but... Might as well go check out the lake.
The Queensland government has reduced public transport fares to 50 cents?